Are you in search of a home defense shotgun that's small, compact, and easy to handle? If so, you're in the right place. The shotguns we'll introduce are ideal for those who want to feel comfortable and protected in their homes without compromising space or portability. Despite their small size, don't let that deceive you. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of the best small shotguns for home defense and discover why they're essential for those looking to secure their residential space. So without wasting further time, let's begin. Number 5. Beretta 1301. The Beretta 1301 shotgun, manufactured by the prestigious company Beretta, stands out for its modern and functional design. Its sleek and ergonomic exterior demonstrates careful attention to detail, and its construction relies on high-quality materials to ensure durability and resistance to wear. Through the use of aluminum alloys and advanced polymers, the Beretta 1301 achieves a balance between lightness and robustness. Regarding performance and capabilities, the 1301 is distinguished by its relatively light weight, making it agile and easy to handle. An attractive option for situations requiring mobility, such as self-defense or sport shooting. Its semi-automatic action mechanism provides a rapid succession of shots, facilitating recoil management and improving efficiency during operation. Comfort and versatility are key aspects of the Beretta 1301. Its adjustable length of pull allows users to tailor the shotgun to different body sizes, while the enlarged charging handle and foldable cast plates contribute to a personalized handling experience. Among the highlighted features are the Ghost Ring sights, offering quick target acquisition. The shotgun controls are designed to be easy to operate and accessible, enhancing the user experience. Reliability is a fundamental characteristic of the Beretta 1301, delivering consistent performance even in adverse conditions. Number 4. Mossberg 590 Tactical. The Mossberg 590 Tactical is a shotgun known for its rugged design and its ability to address tactical and defensive needs. Its structure, based on the Mossberg 500 model, incorporates durable materials such as steel and polymer to ensure reliability and strength. The pump action is a characteristic feature of this shotgun, requiring manual user action to load each shot. This shotgun's available in various gauges, with 12 gauge being one of the most common. The magazine capacity varies between models, capable of holding 5 to 9 rounds, depending on the magazine size and specific model. The Mossberg 500 Tactical is distinguished by its tactical design, with short barrels, typically 18.5 inches, facilitating maneuverability in confined spaces. Additionally, it often includes tactical accessories such as Picatinny rails for attaching flashlights and sights, as well as adjustable tactical stocks to suit user preferences. Reliability and military and police use are highlighted aspects of the Mossberg 590 Tactical, having been adopted by various armed forces and law enforcement agencies worldwide. Its robustness and reliability have made it a common choice for tactical and defensive applications. Mossberg offers different models within the 590 Tactical series, such as the 590A1, known for its proven durability and toughness in military field conditions. Number 3. Ithaca Auto and Burglar. Manufactured in the 1920s, it stood out for its compact design intended for close self-defense situations. With a short overall length and 2 barrels around 10 inches, this shotgun offered ease of transport and maneuverability in confined spaces. Its structure combined wood and metal elements, providing a classic look and functionality. In terms of capabilities, some models were available in 20 gauge, offering options in terms of power and recoil. The Ithaca Auto and Burglar was designed to be effective at very short distances, making it a viable choice for home defense or situations requiring mobility and quick response. Its cartridge capacity was limited due to its construction. In terms of performance, the shotgun excelled in self-defense, offering ease of handling and quick aiming. Its reduced weight, resulting from its compact construction, contributed to comfort while carrying. However, its design was more oriented toward short distances, and accuracy at longer ranges could be compromised. It's crucial to highlight that due to the current legal restrictions on short-barreled firearms, the possession and use of the Ithaca Auto and Burglar may be subject to specific regulations and require corresponding permits. Number 2. Benelli M4. The magic of the M4 is created by its gas-operated Argo system. This dual-piston design is extremely reliable, allowing the shotgun to cycle rounds with great force and power. Benelli designed this impressive action for the U.S. military, accommodating a range from lightweight shot to high-resistance Brennecke slugs. Compared to a pump-action design, the M4's gas operation provides a significant reduction in recoil. The small M4's ghost rings are ready for optics. The typical Benelli M4 features an 18.5-inch barrel and a 5-round magazine. The guns are available with tactical or straight stocks, which can be upgraded to a 7-round tube magazine and a folding stock for 922R compliance. Number 1. Smith & Wesson MP12. The first on our list. What makes it interesting? It features 2 pistol grips for enhanced control, one at the rear and one at the pump, both styled after the MP pistol series, including the option to interchange back straps according to user preference. The overall length is 27.8 inches and it weighs just over 8 pounds when unloaded, making it comparable to many other bullpup shotguns on the list. Unlike some other listed versions, the MP12 is fully ambidextrous with AR-15 style controls, and its muzzle is compatible with rim choke. The MP12 also includes a loaded chamber indicator, a Picatinny rail for optics, and an M-lock mounting system, along with a button-assisted loading and unloading mechanism. Number 6. Mossberg 590A1. The 6th on our list is the Mossberg 590A1, a pump-action shotgun favored by military forces, specifically the 598A1. This shotgun has passed the rigorous U.S. Army Mil-Spec 3443 testing, being the only one of its kind to achieve this. The 590A1 model offers various options, such as a Magpul version, an SPX model, and even a retrograde variant with wooden furniture. To cater to different preferences and needs, models and accessories are available with barrel lengths ranging from 18.5 to 20 inches. The magazine capacity can range between 6 and 9 rounds, and specific variants, like the NFA, incorporate ghost ring sights on a 14-inch barrel and a quick detachable magazine that can hold 4 additional rounds due to its shorter barrel length. However, the NFA variant's capacity is limited to 5 rounds. This diversity of options makes the Mossberg 590A1 a versatile and adaptable choice for various situations. Number 7. Remington Tac 14. The Remington Tac 14 is characterized by its compact and robust design, featuring a 14-inch barrel that gives it a unique classification as a firearm under U.S. federal laws, offering a distinctive option for personal and tactical defense applications. Its structure, built with high-quality materials such as steel and polymer, ensures durability and resistance without sacrificing maneuverability. The pistol grip with Raptor-style grip provides comfort and control during handling, essential elements for its tactical and defensive application. The shotgun can accept either 20-gauge or 12-gauge cartridges, depending on the model, providing flexibility in choosing ammunition to adapt to various situations. Magazine capacity varies, usually ranging between 4 and 6 cartridges, ensuring sufficient capacity to face immediate threats. The performance of the Remington Tac 14 is backed by its pump action, a traditional feature of Remington 870 shotguns, ensuring a reliable and field-proven operation. Its compact and lightweight design facilitates quick maneuverability, being especially effective in confined environments and tactical situations where response speed is crucial. Moreover, the Tac 14 offers customization options, allowing owners to add accessories such as sights, tactical flashlights, and vertical grips to suit their specific preferences and tactical needs. In summary, the Remington Tac 14 positions itself as a versatile and effective choice for short-range personal and tactical defense applications. What do you think about this list? Do you agree with these choices? What other models would you have included? We'd like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. We invite you to be part of our community. Subscribe and activate the notification bell to not miss any of our updates. Share this video with shotgun enthusiast friends. I assure you they'll consider getting one of these. Thanks for watching. We hope to keep seeing you around here. See you in the next video.